What if I told you if Google can show which keyword has the highest traffic right in the Google search? Yes, that's true. With a simple Google Chrome extension, you can do that. My name is Sudhakar and I'm from NeatSyncLink, your digital marketing expert, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First, head towards Google and then type in Surfer SEO Google Chrome extension and then click on this link. As you can see, it has a good reliable rating. Now simply click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. And that's it. It's added to your Google Chrome. Type in plumber Parramatta prices on the new Google search. And you can see on my right hand side, I can see a bunch of search keywords and its search volume. You can simply select all the keywords and download a CSV file. It's that easy.